Hey guys, it's me, Boy Genius, here back for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial video for those of you who don't know and do know. So yesterday I was having an issue with my Xbox controller. As you can see, it's on now. I can fully move around with it, but yesterday, it turned on like normal, but the screen was not moving. I couldn't control anything. So I tried the good old sync trick, but it was only working on the controller. But on the Xbox, when I tried to do it, it wouldn't let me push it. It wouldn't do anything. So I got I got a little bit frustrated, like I didn't know how to do it, how to get it to work. So today, oh gosh, I'm gonna show you how to get it to work if it happens to you. So put your controller right here, because what you're gonna need to do is you're going to want to hold down the Xbox power button. Do a hard reset on it. Hold the button till it turns off, like that. And then just wait a couple seconds. Okay. Turn it back on. It'll take a while to fully turn on. Gotta let it boot up a little bit. Let it get past the startup screen. Oh yeah. And then maybe I thought, oh, it must be connecting to the PC that's out in the living room. So I tried to go and look for the Bluetooth settings in the computer, but my controller was nowhere on it. I thought it could have been connected to the computer out there, because I did go and see what time it was when I went out there, but it didn't work. But yeah, just let it boot up a little bit. Okay. Okay, so now you're going to want to turn on your controller first. And then, if you don't already know, there's a little button on the top of the controller. You're going to want to push that down. And then push it on the Xbox too. And then you'll see it start to sync. Okay. And you should be able to navigate through the menus again. Well guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Turn on bell notifications. And yeah guys, thank you so much for taking the opportunity to check this out. Hope this helps.